morning, Kuta Lombok.
Good morning, guys. This is Kuta Beach in Lombok. Yes, we're still in Lombok, Indonesia, obviously. We came to the beach quickly this morning because we wanted to see what it looks like when there's actually water in the bay, because it's low tide in the afternoon. And it's a Sunday morning, and suddenly we were met with a very different sight. There's lots of weird informal structures on the beach all of a sudden.
It seems like the locals have got some other event this weekend and they're all staying on the beach, and there's lots of local kids playing in the water over there this morning, enjoying the waves. It's a very, very different vibe.
It's very strange though, because if we arrived today, I would have thought, oh, people just live on the beach. But they don't. They put these structures up like last day in the evening, and now they're here for the weekend. We don't know if it's got something to do with just a weekend thing, or maybe it's because it's full moon and they're fishing. Who knows? Or they just, maybe it's a school holiday. I don't know. But anyway, we're gonna hit the road a bit today on the scooters.
Yes, we're gonna go and explore a little bit to the west of Kuta Beach, hopefully.
West of Kuta. Don't really know what to expect. Just maybe check a beach out there, grab some lunch somewhere, cruise the roads a little bit. We'll drive through the Kuta town now and just show you what it looks like. We need to get some fuel for the bikes anyway. There's no shortage of beaches around this Kuta area.
We're hoping today we're going to take you to Mawun Beach, which is supposedly the second most beautiful beach in this area.
Alright.
So, well, hang in there, let's go see.
Yeah. Alright, so we go check out the town and get some petrol.
Cool, let's go find a bottle of petrol.
Obviously the way to do it this part of Indonesia, like many parts of Indonesia, is you stop randomly at this side street and buy a bottle of fuel. Here they go for about 10,000 rupees for a litre, I guess. So, you only need about a litre to half fill your bike. We'll get you a little bit further down the road till you see the next bottle. Alright, let's skedaddle. Yeah.
Banana.
Yes. Banana. Who's going to be spoiled banana? Thank you. This is called Harry's. What? Harry.
Harry's Indonesian
food. This is close to where we stay. And we've been coming here almost every day for something. Thank you. What is that?
Their food doesn't disappoint, neither do their juices or their smoothies. They're absolutely delicious.
Don't expect serenity. Anyway, cheers.
It's Sunday morning, we're getting some interesting music. So we've arrived here at Bat Cave very close to Kuta Lombok, and it's marked on Google Maps, and it should be very interesting. It's quite a big cave you can see behind me over here. There is an entry fee which I think is very negotiable. They would like 25,000 to enter. Let's take a look inside. Whoa. Wow, well that was interesting. Not exactly what we expected, but it was pretty cool. The cave consists of 4 different areas, of the 4 rooms they call it, with bats, and there's loads and loads of bats, and the caves are absolutely beautiful. So I must say, for 25,000 I think it is worth it. They give you gumboots and you can go inside. If you ask to pay 50 or 75,000, I think that's a little bit much. It's really not that spectacular. But something nice to see and do other than visiting beaches while you're here in Lombok.
Well, this is unusual. Let me just wash my shoes.
Thank you.
A little bit informal scooterings here in the back end of Mawun Beach. Slightly more informal than I anticipated. Not sure where we're going.
Yay! We made it to Mawun Beach. This is beautiful. Even more beautiful than I expected.
Yeah, this is Mawun Beach. It's a Sunday, so it's quite a lot of local people here on the edges of the beach. Kids are playing a bit. The weather's quite nice. I think what makes it nice here is that there's water, even if it's low tide.
But just look at the color of this water. It is incredible.
Yeah, beautiful. Apparently only for fairly competent swimmers though. But it's really stunning. We're going to try and find some food here somewhere.
And definitely take a swim in that beautiful
Nasi goreng ayam and
mee goreng.
mee goreng with egg. Pretty good. Sort of standard fare you can expect, I guess, out here. Nothing too exciting, but
At least you got a really amazing view.
yeah, you can't complain with that, eh? Damn. So this is Mawun Beach.
And
Beautiful.
this
beautiful
is my
beach.
favorite beach we
Beautiful
found
beach.
here in the area of Kuta Lombok.
Beautiful beach. A lot of friendly locals around, I must say. It's quite nice to see the people just hanging around here.
Very nice local vibe.
Yeah, experience the vibe. It's not a Sunday vibe, but we've spent a few hours here. We had nice lunch. Now we're going to cruise on a little bit. Maybe we'll go check out another beach. Otherwise, we'll just go look for ice cream.
Ice cream!
Very important part of exploring the area, of course. is
Absolutely,
to
beach means ice cream.
do some sampling. So guys, let's go this way. And anything
It's
else?
beautiful riding out here as well. We took some really little interesting off-road paths to get here. It seems like that's the way to find the most beautiful beaches.
For sure. Seems like you have to just explore a little bit. Now, one thing to keep in mind is, like we've discovered in day one, is that most of these beaches do have a parking fee. So just build that into your budget and
Or try and find the ones where you can rather go to a local warung, have a drink or eat something and rather get your money's worth there and then you can park for free.
you don't really know, so just be aware of that. It's not just the way it is. Some places you can negotiate a slightly lower fee, or so ideally you go to the beach for the day, I guess, and that's how you get value for it. Okay, we're gonna find some ice cream hopefully, and then we're gonna move on.
One other thing that we see here in the beach is the locals like burying themselves in the sand. Can't decide
So
if they're just trying to
strange.
stay out of the sun or whether it seems slightly therapeutic.
Yeah, I love this stuff. Look at this.
You can see behind us, yeah, it's quite
Yes.
funny. Everybody getting buried.
Very strange situation.
Good fun.
All right, moving on.
We are at Shu
Sure restaurant. Restaurant.
Well, it's Shu Cafe, I think.
Oh, it's called Sure Restaurant and Bar.
Okay, well, I guess that guy's had one too many.
The Lombok Beach there below me. I'm just gonna point.
Kuta.
Lombok Kuta Lombok. Beautiful view. Unfortunately, not great for sunset watching, as the sunset's on the upside side. But it's a pretty sweet spot. Surprisingly chilly.
It is, that's what I was thinking.
I never thought I'd say that in Indonesia. It's like, what's it? 5:30 in the afternoon, 5:40, and it's bloody cold.
But tonight's our friend Jason's last night with us, so we're spoiling ourselves. Say hi, Jason. We're spoiling ourselves by having a drink here and enjoying the view.
Yeah, we'll probably have a meal as well, just to enjoy the sunset. It's been a good day, and
We've still got a week left in the
yeah, we've still got plenty of time left here in Lombok, for sure. But so we'll see you on that side, I guess. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you
us a like.
next time. Bye.